Welcome to the Science Hub Academy.
Today we are going to study about the pharynx. Actually, pharynx is a short tube behind oral cavity. It connects with nasal cavity, which further opens into windpipe or trachea. It is also connected with esophagus. What does it mean? It means that pharynx act as a shared funnel-shaped passageway for both respiratory system and digestive system. It prevents entry of food particles into lungs by controlling the epiglottis. Now what is glottis? Glottis is a opening of windpipe and epiglottis is an elastic cartilage tissue. What is cartilage? It is a soft, crunchy, flexible bone. Now look at the diagram. This opening of windpipe is called glottis and this cartilage is epiglottis. Again, closely observe the diagram. Here the glottis is open for the flow of air. But when you start eating, the elastic cartilage epiglottis closes the opening of trachea, thus preventing the entrance of food into respiratory tract. So we can say that epiglottis is a muscular lid due to which food smoothly passes from pharynx towards esophagus. What is esophagus? It is a long muscular tube that transport food to stomach. It is approximately 25 centimeter long. Look at the diagram closely, observe the pharynx and esophagus. Bolus moves from pharynx to esophagus and finally in stomach. The food moves downward from esophagus to stomach due to strong muscles contractions known as peristalsis.